Hi, so in this video we're going to be covering the first page of the May 2023 WJEC Maths Intermediate paper. So in this set of videos I'm just going to go through each question as best I can and kind of give my thoughts as I go. So as I've drawn here is this up arrow, so this implies ascending. So ascending means to rise from low to high. So what we're going to do is this is a fraction, this is a percentage, this is a decimal. So we're just going to convert them into the same form, so it makes it much easier to compare them. So we're going to start with this 9%. So a percentage, so cent is the Latin word for 100. So that means 9% means 9 out of 100. 0.3 is the same as 0.30. So that is 30 divided by 100. And we're going to do something similar for this 2/5. So 2/5, and these two are out of 100, so let's make this one out of 100 as well. So to get from 5 to 100, we times by 20. So we do the same with this one. So 2 times by 20 is 40. So this one is 9 out of 100, this one's 30 out of 100, and this one is 40 out of 100. So now let's answer the question. So the lowest would be 9%, then it would be 0.3, and then it would be 2 out of 5 in that order. Okay, let's move to the last bit of this page, which is the area of the rectangle is 80 centimeters squared. The length of the rectangle is 5 times its width. Calculate the length and width of the rectangle. Okay, so what we're going to do is, we don't know either the length or the width, but what we can do is I'm going to call this side x, and we know that the length of the rectangle is 5 times its width, or 5 times its width. So if this is x, this must be 5 times x. So now what we do is we can just find the area and equate the expression. So to find the area of a rectangle, it's base times height, so it would be 5x times by x. So 5x times by x is 5x squared. And we also know the area is 80. So from this, we get the 5x squared equals 80. And then we just solve this equation. So dividing both sides by 5, we get that x squared equals 16. So therefore, taking the square root of both sides, we get x is equal to plus or minus 4. But we choose x is equal to 4 because it's a length, so we can never have it being negative. So this length here, x, we get to be 4. And this here is 5 times bigger, so this is 20. So it's 4 by 20. And so if we now look at the question, what it's asking, it wants the length, which we get to be 20, and the width, which we get to be 4.